I drank lemon water every day for a week and this is what happened. Lemons are a rich source of various vitamins and minerals. They contain mainly water and carbohydrates. Lemons are a very good source of vitamin C, citric acid, and smaller amounts of vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin E. Lemons also contain various minerals such as iron, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and zinc, according to the USDA National Nutrient Database. With all these important nutrients present in lemons, lemon water can be a very effective beverage with many health benefits. It is beneficial for everyone except for those allergic to lemons and who have gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. It is recommended to be consumed by anyone trying to achieve a healthier diet and stay clear of beverages that are high in added sugars such as soda, juice, and energy drinks. Not only does lemon water hydrate the body, but it also aids various bodily processes. Relieves sore throat. Drinking warm lemon water may provide relief from a sore throat or pharyngitis. Helps to prevent kidney stones. One of the major health benefits of lemon water includes its ability to treat and prevent kidney stones. Normally, kidney stones pass out of the body without much discomfort, but sometimes they can block the urine flow and cause intense pain. Drinking lemon water helps in rehydrating the body and keeping the urine diluted. This, in turn, reduces any risk of kidney stone formation. However, in case of severe pain and discomfort from a possible kidney stone, you should speak with a doctor or your medical professional. Reduces calorie intake. Lemon water is a good substitute for juices or drinks that may be high in sugar. Those who try to control their diabetes or who intend to lose weight, lemon water helps to rehydrate and energize the body without adding excessive amounts of sugar. Improves liver health. Drinking lemon water may help in activating digestive enzymes present in the liver. It is recommended that you drink lemon water in the morning by itself without consuming food or other drinks. Wait 30 minutes before consuming your first meal or taking any additional supplements. Improves digestion. The lemon juice present in lemon water promotes the production of hydrochloric acid and bile secretion, which is required for digestion. It also reduces the risk of acidity and gout. People who commonly suffer from digestive issues like abdominal cramps, bloating, burning sensations, and excessive gas should drink it regularly. Lemon water is useful for curing constipation, so drink it warm every morning and get relief from constipation for the rest of the day. Boosts immune system. Lemon water is a good source of citrus bioflavonoid, vitamin C, and phytonutrients, which help improve the strength of the immune system. It also helps increase energy levels in the body due to the presence of essential vitamins and minerals. In research studies published in the American Scientific Research Journal, citrus peel oils showed strong antimicrobial activity. Relieves rheumatism. Drinking lemon water before meals and at bedtime may also provide relief from rheumatism. Treats scurvy. Consumption of lemon water helps in treating scurvy or a general deficiency of vitamin C. Signs of scurvy include bleeding gums, tooth loss, small red spots or rashes, bruising, fatigue, and more. Relieves swollen gum pain. Drinking lemon water may also relieve the pain associated with swollen gums. Add a pinch of salt to it for best results and make sure the lemon juice is well diluted in water. Cancer-fighting potential. Drinking lemon water may also be beneficial in preventing cancer. A research study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention suggests that lemon extract, with its anti-tumor properties, may help in reducing the risk of breast cancer. Another study shows that a combination of garlic and lemon aqueous extract makes for an anti-cancer food. However, no thorough research is conducted to verify the anti-cancer potential of lemon water yet. Lowers stress and blood pressure. Another great benefit of lemon water is its ability to lower blood pressure while providing relief from stress and anxiety. Drinking it will also convey a sense of relaxation. Balances pH. By drinking 1 glass of lemon water, you will help alkalize the whole body and balance the pH level of the body. There are many diseases and conditions linked to the acidic body state. For optimal health, it is very important for the body to maintain the alkaline state that is achieved by eating alkaline foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Lemon juice in its natural state is very acidic, but once consumed and fully digested, it has been shown to have alkalizing benefits. Detoxifies the body. Lemon water helps in cleansing your entire body by reducing the toxins in the blood. Nutrients in lemons promote the removal of waste materials as well as toxins, since it acts as a natural diuretic, which stimulates an increase in urination. Skin care. Intake of lemon water on a daily basis can help rejuvenate the skin. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants, and the well-known anti-aging properties of lemons and other antioxidant-rich foods have become increasingly popular in recent years. Honey lemon water is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Honey lemon water recipe. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of organic honey, 1 medium lemon, 2 cups of water. Directions: gently warm the water on the stove. Squeeze the lemon juice into the water. Add the honey to the warm water. Honey may lose its natural healing qualities in boiling hot water. No matter if it's morning or evening, you can enjoy the soothing and rejuvenating effects of lemon and honey water at any time. We recommend to rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking this elixir to neutralize the citric acid from eroding teeth enamel. To achieve best results for fighting against infections, illnesses or cold, drink it warm. However, you can drink it chilled for those hydrating moments. Leaf of fresh mint can perfectly accompany lemon and honey drink. We strongly advise to use honey containing linden floral nectar for this recipe, because due to its floral activity, linden holds natural tonic properties. It helps to raise energy levels as well as to improve mood. Additionally, linden blossoms provide antibacterial properties which help to fight various infections and makes it perfect with cold symptoms such as fever, sore throat and cough. To top it off, it provides calming and soothing effects to stomach, maintains healthy liver and is capable of detoxifying the body of toxins. A true nature's blessing. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family.